Hello, my name is Michael Clements, and I'm the Managing Director of Cynergy Research Services, which provides investment opinions and a model portfolio of 50 companies that we've chosen from the biggest, best, most resilient, profitable, and growing companies around the world. This is the first of a series of informative videos that we'll create for investors to explain our thoughts on investing in general and elements of our investing strategy. Hopefully in time, some of you will decide to become clients of our service offering. And with that in mind, you can check out our website at www.cynergyresearch.com. The purpose of this first video is to introduce you to our value proposition relative to the alternatives available in the market. We are primarily aiming at Canadian investors who have a tendency to invest solely in the Canadian stock market, which makes up only 4% of the global stock market capitalization. And as a result, they're literally missing out on a world of amazing opportunities that are provided by the biggest companies in the world, most of whom do not have their headquarters in Canada. You're going to learn about a superior and multifaceted investment strategy that outperforms the major stock market indexes over time. Over the past 13 and a half years, the cumulative annual growth rate of this strategy, its CAGR, has been 11.2% versus 7.1% for the Toronto Stock Exchange Total Return Index. Of more recent interest, since we began a formal Cynergy research offering starting about 6.5 years ago, our CAGR has been 12.9% versus 8.6% for the TSX Total Return Index. This is a significant gap between the two results, which over a period of decades results in massive total return differentials. In 2023, for example, our model portfolio returned 21.44% versus only 11.8% for the TSX Total Return Index. And for 2024 year-to-date, our model portfolio has returned 10.6% versus 10.2% for the TSX Total Return Index. Here's another statistic that investors should take into account that they may not be aware of. According to various studies, 80 to 85% of hedge funds, mutual funds, and investment advisors underperform the major market indexes. These are terrible numbers and hurt the very investors that these professionals are supposed to be advising. But before you think, perhaps I should do my own research and investing, there's been additional studies that show that the average investor typically incurs the worst total returns at about half the performance level of the major market indexes. So what's the average investor to do if they can't rely on the professionals and going alone can be filled with risk? This is where we come in at Cynergy Research Services, providing unbiased and low-cost research on the best global companies. More on this in subsequent videos, and thank you for watching.